This is called Dressed in Red, inspired in part by a drawing of Dorothy in the Mansion by Sheldon Greenberg, and in part by a Supreme Court decision. You, brave belle with the saucy hair, curls entwining blood-red ribbons, invincible in that dress. Wearing those Dorothy heels, clicked together, but walking a long mile on stairs full of carpet that never shielded you from the hard steps you had to climb. Staring down the past, you put on the red dress reserved for warrior women, gloried in its fiery color whose blood consecrated that staircase, winding down, closing down, all doubt and division, losses balanced out. This life was yours to keep. You, battle strong with the saucy hair, armed with ribbons of valor, triumphant at last. For the children caught in war everywhere. Empty your arms of all they own, ever owned in the embers of light. The sun hides, ashamed to witness all you have lost. Young ones smile, looking at you for reassurance, for all the light you cannot give, the generations lost, honor forever torn into fragments. You search for the angels obscured as carnage reigns, absent as they prostrate themselves before God and beg mercy for human charges, but the mercy window is closed. You will be late coming back from wherever you have been, holding close the still, warm keepsakes plastered on your hair, your face, your shell of a body. You wrote names and numbers on children's brown legs and pressed face to face last night, so you would remember in any realm where you found yourself. And the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air. Shrieking spilled onto your irises, wailing wafted through the smoke, and olive wood teething rings burst into flame for the children.